Hello everyone, this is Murphy from Eneo. Today I'm going to show you how to clean a commercial refrigerator. Below we summarize 9 steps. First, turn off the refrigerator. Second, remove all the stuff inside. Third, wipe out the interior with warm water and mild detergent. Fourth, scrub any stuff-on stain or liquid with scrub pad or sponge. Fifth, dry the surface with cloth. Sixth, clean the gasket with cloth. Seventh, clean the door with cleaner. Eighth, clean the exterior with warm water and mild detergent. Ninth, clean the shelf with a brush or scrub pad. Hope this video can help you. If you want to know more about how to fix a chiller, hit the like and subscribe the button now.